Growing up as a child back in Jamaica, I did not like hominy porridge for some reason or the other. Until I started making it myself with the mixture of bulgar in it. And that is the only way I'm going to drink hominy porridge when it's married to bulgar. Just like this. Anyways, come take a walk in my kitchen. Let me show you how I make it as a Jamaican girl living in Canada. So I usually start prepping this from overnight. So I'm going to soak both of them together. You see, I added some other hominy corn, and I'm also adding some bulgur. Wash it real good, and then you're gonna add some water and some cinnamon sticks. Left it overnight, and this is the following morning where I will be starting it up. I know a lot of people like to pressure theirs, but I prefer to slow cook mine. You know, on a Sunday morning, especially, this is a slow weekend vibes breakfast style where you now rush the pot. So you leave it on the stove low while I'm doing my devotion or doing other things on a Sunday morning. Let it slow cook, and you keep checking it, make sure it's not burn up. You keep turning it, and you tip a little water bit by bit. When you realize that the corn cook, that's my go-to, the cool runnings coconut milk. And to the person who jump in on my comment the other time when I cook my corn milk porridge, and I thought about say that an authentic corn milk porridge because I use coconut milk. Listen, this is not the channel for you, because you're not going to see me a brook and a juice no coconut milk, okay? So you maybe need to find another channel to watch, okay? This is the easy life over here on this side. Now I'm going to add all my flavors and my essence, and of course my condensed milk and a little brown sugar. Sweeten to taste, to your taste, as me I sweeten for me and my family taste over here. So I added my vanilla, my cinnamon, my almond, just a little tip of almond though, and nutmeg. Leave it again, cover it, let it simmer for a little bit, right? And it's coming together nicely. Look like me can start eat mine now. What you think? How about this consistency? What else do you add to your Dominican porridge? By the way, you like Dominican porridge? Let me know in the comments. And it is ready. I'm dishing out mine, my serving, just like that. And this consistency is just right. And if you want, this is a perfect meal prep idea for an island girl. You cook a pot of this bulgur porridge and you put it out in different containers. That's what I did. So as we go out in the mornings, we have a little container we can have for breakfast. Anyways, thank you so much for stopping by again to tune in to watch Yashika turn up the kitchen. See you in the next video. Bye.